I'm going to show setup for Divoom's time gate. Already did the unboxing on a live stream. So I have already plugged it in and turned it on. And it's got scan, QR code, download Divoom app. Also, the QR code is in the manual. There's just 3 items in the box: the times gate, the charging cable, and the user manual. And the charging cable is actually very nice. It's one of the cloth type ones. It comes in this really nice bag, and then this box is inside the bag. And I'll actually move the box around. Times gate. But yeah, so you just open it. Inside of this is the times gate. Yeah, I'm clumsy. The times gate is right there. It'll be here like this. Which it can't go in because it's got the charger. And then there's the charging cord that comes with it. And then the manual is right in there as well. Put this back. We'll put this up here. We'll just look at the manual quickly because the control is just light. And they actually have everything labeled. Light, mode. Mode is to switch the modes. The LCD's display set. Power. Power button is right there. Left button, right button. The left, it does the brightness. Decrease and hold it rapidly. And then the right does the increase. Setup is just you download the app and you set up the Wi-Fi. If you've never downloaded the app before, though, you do have to create an account. You have to register an account. And then you reset the network. I don't think I've got to reset the network by pushing it 8 seconds for the power because the network should already be working. I did want to show which app it is, Divoom Pixel Art Community, because there's a few Divoom apps that come up if you do a search. I'll do Wi-Fi though. I think the times gate has to use Wi-Fi. Okay, times gate. So here it's got make sure the device is within 10 meters. And I do need to clean my phone, yes. Check if the router is up. And anyway, I'll click it. Connecting. It was already in pair mode because it was the first time being set up. Actually looks very cool. Look at that. Wow. It's really beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to update the firmware after we reset it. So apparently people can use the device together. Look at that. So Divoom Times Gate is pixel art, and I'll be able to have different things on each screen. It looks really futuristic to me. I'm excited. I'm gonna have it in the background for a lot of my robot videos because it's gonna look really good. The Divoom app, you click display to select the display that you want. The first one I selected was exchange rate neon. And in here, you configure the source currency. I picked USD, 1 to 100. And then I selected Euro. So these two were already selected, Euro and Japanese yen. And then I added Thai baht and Turkish lira. And you can add more columns if you want more columns. The other one I like to do, the YouTube channel list, which I added. You can search for a channel. And I did mine. So you can see here. It shows, this is great because it shows my view count for the month. This is a monthly view count. And then how many subscribers I have. The temperatures here. And then this is today's date, December 1st. And the time, 9:04 a.m. I've got it on 24-hour format. But you can also pick some other cute things. Like if you want to do all cats, this shows the time, 9:04. So yeah, it's just, there's a whole bunch of options. And within this is if you select group. Now, I've already configured these. So I'll show these. They've got like normal pixel art animations. Then they've got like YouTube, got like financial, weather, holidays, and tools. Maybe this was where it was. Yeah, here it was, the Spotify one. And then there's sports and games and hardware, and then custom, and then plan. And with plan, you can do things like what you want, like YouTube videos, cloud channel. Cloud channels like pixel art, custom. There's just so many options within here, and these are like individual ones that you're picking. Cloud channel, which I picked the Martian one from there. Then I picked a plan. I picked my clock display, what I wanted. And then I picked my channel again. And then this one, I picked my Spotify user, but it's not showing anything. I guess I didn't listen to any songs this month, I mean. So yeah, this is like a Martian one. I'll actually show cloud channel, what I selected there, so you can see that. Just a second here. So cloud channel. And then you get to go, like, I picked the album that I wanted. And I picked the Mars one, but they have a whole bunch of options here. I could pick, like, the Christmas one. Let me change it to the Christmas one. And then you can select how long the animation should play. I selected 10 seconds. And then when you're done, so it's just very simple. You just click, you just click the option you want. It'll load. It's very fast in setting up the new plan of whatever you've selected. Because on this one, when you don't do a group, you can individually specify what you have for each. And then last, I want to show the lights. So we have group, individual display, and then this is the lights, the lights here. And you can do all the lights or surround lights or the backlights. And you configure them however you want. You can select the brightness levels. Like if you say, oh, that's a little too bright, you can dim it for the ambient or the screen. And then you can select different configurations. You can select different configurations. I'm trying to remember which one it was that I liked so much. Maybe it was that one where it changes, like starts changing the colors. I absolutely adore this. I think it's got a lot of configurations, but I am going to keep it on, I'm going to go back to group because I actually like the aesthetic of the group. Within the groups, I wish we could add like the theme for our more individualized stuff in the group. But I really like the YouTube one. I like this one. This is probably what I'm going to have it on because it's really great that it shows my, I think it's cool that it shows my stuff on it and like keeps track of how many subscribers I have in my view count. And so yeah, there's the different lights it can switch between. So you can do a lot of it here. Like you can't really pick these manually. You've got to go to the app for that. But you can change the lights. Or, again, on the app. And it shows you, when you've switched it, which one you've selected. So you can test it, like you can do this. And it'll show you. It just cycles through them, which is pretty handy. Clicking mode switches the modes that you've set previously. So that's pretty cool. And then, again, this lights up darker, lighter. Emo, how's the weather? So it's cloudy.
It's cloudy. The temperature is 15 degrees Celsius.
So there we go. I can find out the weather in multiple ways. Emo, do you like my new times gate?
Thanks. The feeling is mutual.
Okay. Astro, do you like my times gate?